watch it crumble, see the drowning, watch the fall. I feel just terrible about it. That sarcasm, let it burn. Gonna make a toast when it falls apart. I'm gonna raise my glass upon my heart. Then someone shouts, that's what they get. For all the years of hate, for all the pitch bump that on VH1, when it all, their money go, don't we all know? Parasitic music industry, as it destroys itself, we'll show them how it's supposed to be. Music created from devotion, not ambition, not for fame. Zero people are exploited, there are no tricks up our sleeve. We're gonna fight against the recipe, we're gonna kill the 7-record deal, make records that have more than 100 songs. Dinosaurs will slowly die, and I do believe no one will cry. I'm just fucking glad I'm gonna be there to watch the fall. Prehistoric music industry, 3 feet in the gray tar. Extinction never felt so good.